Stick around to see how to make this easy gift box using just cardstock and ribbon. And you probably came here because of this book, so you're in the right place, so stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
All right, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. So you're just going to use some cardstock. This size is 8.5 by 11 inches. And if you want to see how I decorated it, check out this video right here. Go ahead and click the card up top and I show you how I did this little cute design. But anyway, you're just going to go ahead and fold this paper in half so that we can get a perfect square, and we are going to cut the excess. All right, so you can go ahead and discard that. You don't need that. All we're going to do is work with this square right here. So when you open it up, it looks like a perfect square. That's a little tip for you guys. All right, so now what you're going to do is fold it hamburger style all the way down, just like this. You can go ahead and crease it now that you got it completely even. And now we're going to go ahead and fold it one more time, just like this. And when you open it up, it should look just like this. You see how it's in half, and then when I open it up, it looks like a nice design like this, basically. So now you're going to fold the corners all into the middle, just like this. So you're going to do that 4 times all around. Now you could stop right here and just tape it off and use it as an envelope, right? Or you can keep going and make this box that I promised y'all. So all the 4 corners are folded all into the middle, just like this. So now the next step you're gonna do, pay close attention. You're just gonna fold this down about 1/3 of the way, and then you're gonna fold the bottom of it the same way, just like I'm doing here, okay? All right, so now you're gonna go ahead and crease this, and y'all remember what we just did? We're gonna do it again. You see, I'm opening it up, and it should be just like this now, facing you. And you're going to fold the top half again and the bottom half. Just check this out, just like this. We're gonna fold it again. See, I'm pointing just like that. So we're gonna fold it down, and we're gonna grab that bottom part and fold it down. So 1/3 of the way. And then you're going to do the same thing. So you did this twice. Y'all got it? Okay, I hope y'all with me. All right, so it's a little thick, so I'm just using my scissors to help me crease it this time. So now that you are here, you're ready to fold. You've already prepped it. And now here is the fun part, us folding it into a box. All right, so go ahead and open it up just like this. And then you're gonna open up 2 sides just like this, okay? Hold the middle down like that. Now you're gonna take your index finger. Let me show you how right here. You're gonna take your index finger, okay? And you're gonna push in this right here. You see that little angle, how I'm pushing it? And it's gonna fold in to itself like this. Y'all got that? I'm gonna do it again. Push and let it fold into itself like this, and this is gonna be the wall of our box. All right, I hope that made sense. I try to do it as slow as I can, but if y'all need to rewind this part and look at it again, do that until you got it. Now fold that side down into itself like this, and we are looking at 3 walls for our box. We're almost done. We're gonna do that same thing again on the other side, guys, okay? And I didn't even need tape to hold it down. It kind of fits snug in there, so I'm just going to leave it alone. Take those 2 index fingers again. You're going to flip that box, you know, like how it is like here. You're going to fold it into itself again. And this is the 4th side of our box. After you did this, your box is pretty much made, because the other side, we're going to use this top part as our lid. So we're actually going to hot glue this because it's not going to stay. I'm going to put some hot glue right there, and I'll put some on the other side as well. So put some hot glue there and some hot glue right over here, okay? All right, so your box is done. This right here is the lid. So you're gonna fold that little triangle down, stick your lid down, and tape your box closed after you put your little gift in there. You can put a little ring for your fiance, or you can put like a stocking stuffer for your kids. That's what I'm gonna use this for. I'm gonna put like a little tiny little trinket in there, stick it in the stocking. So take you some tape, seal it up, and put a little bow on it, and then you're all done. I'll show y'all how it looks with the bow on there. I'm just gonna speed it up because I don't think I need to teach y'all how to tie a bow. Unless y'all really need that, let me know in the comments below. But you just tie it like you tie your shoelace, right? Just tie a little bow on there. And that is that. So I know y'all like this video, so don't forget to hit that like button down below and click the subscribe button so you can be a part of my wonderful creative army as we create easy crafts all year long. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, set it to all so you're notified every time that I post, okay? So now that we're done with this video, let's jump back into that book inspired craft video where I am showing you guys how to do the rest of these Christmas crafts. So click this video and I will see you in that one. All right,